Good morning and welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here is the latest seafood news for the week of August 12, 2013. In October of 2013, the Chinese government implemented new requirements for exporters and importers of food products to China. Exporters and importers of food products are required to register with the General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection, and Quarantine of the People's Republic of China. The registration process for North America's seafood exporters is relatively simple. The registration process for Russian exporters is not as simple and is preventing many Russian companies from exporting to China. Our sources in China cite illegally harvested fish as one of the primary concerns of the Chinese government, which is similar to the problems the same companies face when trying to get FDA registration for the USA. The registration requirements were not in place for the last Russian salmon fishery, which meant fish traded freely into China for further processing. The overall supply of Russian fish to China will likely decrease as companies fail to meet the Chinese government's requirements. This will push Chinese secondary processors to look to USA and Canadian supply, which, if you saw in episode 144 last week, is already strained with poor returns on fish and strong fresh sales throughout the processing season. At the same time, Russian processors will be forced to look to alternative markets for their products, which may drive prices down through excessive competition in these markets. Squid buyers should take note of the recently announced ban on Illex squid fishing. Average size is below 800 grams, following on recommendations from the Scientific Cruise Surveys. Argentina's Federal Fisheries Council, CFP, decided to temporarily ban Illex squid catching operations. According to the National Institute of Fisheries Research and Development, the ban, which has been in effect since July 8th and for a period of 30 days, and was imposed so that the squid from the North Patagonian area of Buenos Aires can grow to an average individual weight of 800 grams by the end of August 2013. Salmon Roe or caviar buyers take note as caviar prices begin to climb quickly. Inventories of roe from 2012 production season are low, and salmon returns to date have been low as well. Subsequently, market prices have increased up to 70% as a result. Strong salmon roe prices will act to strengthen grounds prices, pushing prices of carcass fish up as well. Current prices may be the lowest for the coming year if this trend continues. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.